Hi there, Year 8 Numeracy teachers, and welcome to Week 5. If you could do me a favour, could you please go into your Canvas and double check that your course is published? How you do that is you click on your course and then on the right hand side it will say published. If you have any issues with this, please feel free to see me. It should be green. The reason I need you to do that is because in week 10 they are doing their post test and students need to be able to access Canvas to do their My Numeracy skills. So moving on from there, we're starting our first Flexi Learning. So where do you find all your stuff? Go to Numeracy and Year 8 Numeracy Term 1. So if we start to look at topics, you'll notice on the right hand side it has staff's names and the topics that they are responsible for. Can you please do me a favour and drop your resources into there, because there may be other teachers running your session and they're going to need to access those resources. So if you could please do that for me, that would be awesome. What I'd like you to do next is if you go into the 8 Numeracy tab, you'll see for week 5, this is our Tuesday group, and you can see there's some upper 2 band students who will be working with Nicole. And then on Wednesday, the exact same thing. There are clearly some kids missing. So can you please make sure that this gets done by next week? Even if the math teacher has to do it, students need to be signed up to sessions. So please make sure that this happens. I'd also like you to have a look at those class lists, and if you can see any glaring behaviour issues, please feel free to move kids. We really want this to work for you in the end. So where do you find where the kids are and who's coming? You look at week 5 Tuesday and week 5 Wednesday, where the signing up has happened. If you could also do me a favour, when the students come to you on Tuesday session 4 or Wednesday session 1, can you please make sure they have their My Numeracy skills? If it's a hard copy or a digital copy, to take with them, because they're going to be using that document to inform their Flexi Learning choices. So you're going to run your sessions, and if you go to Flexi Learning Teachers and Topics, teachers across our Tuesday group and our Wednesday group, please make sure you are sharing your resources with the teacher that is teaching the corresponding topic. Kids will mark their roles in their regular classes and then move to their flexible learning spaces just to ensure that the roles are marked. At the end of the session, in the last 5 to 10 minutes, can you please pop up the week 6 Tuesday document or the week 6 Wednesday document, whichever one is relevant for you, and can you please add those students to those groups? Now that may not be your class, so whoever is with you in week 5, can you please sign them up for week 6? That will help this process run a little more smoothly. Next Wednesday, they do say that there is a parade till 9:30. However, that shouldn't really impact on our numeracy time. So hopefully we have enough time in there to have some flexi happening in place. Now, if you have any questions about any of that information or any way I can support you, please feel free to come and see me or send me an email. Otherwise, have a great week, and thank you so much for your hard work, and I hope next week runs as smoothly as possible. Thank you.